What's up? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you what you need to do to fix any problem with your iPhone Airdrop. Like for example, other devices nearby don't show up on your iPhone. Guys, let me show you what you need to do to get a fix. Let's go. Okay guys, the first thing you're going to do, let's go ahead and open the settings, scroll down, let's go ahead and tap on general. Then let's go ahead and tap on Airdrop. All right, just make sure this setting is on your phone, everyone. If you have right here receiving off or contacts only, that can be the reason why your iPhone doesn't find any device nearby. After that, let's go with the next step. Let's go ahead and open the settings, scroll all the way down until you see privacy. Let's go ahead and tap on privacy. Now let's go ahead and tap on location services. Now scroll all the way down until you see this setting, system services. Let's go ahead and tap on that. Then right here, let's turn off this setting, cell phone network search. That's the one you're gonna turn off. Then scroll down and also turn off this setting, networking wireless. Turn it off. Then turn it off. All right, guys. Now, next step, restart your phone. Turn it off and turn it back on. Now turn it on. Okay, let me just wait until my phone is on to show you what else you need to do. Okay, the iPhone is already on. Now let's go ahead and open the settings. Scroll down, let's go ahead and tap on privacy. Then let's go ahead and tap on location services. Scroll the way down until you see system services. Let's go ahead and tap on that. Now guys, you're gonna turn on the setting that you just turned off, cell phone network search, turn it on, and this one, networking wireless, turn it on. Okay, now what you need to do, just try to use your AirDrop to see if now it's working, okay? If you still got the same problem, another solution to fix that issue, all you need to do is just force restart your iPhone. So how to do that? Easy. You're gonna press and release volume up, press and release volume down, and then press and hold down for like 10 seconds the power button, okay? Let's do it. Volume up, volume down, power button. Even though you see the action to turn it off, don't turn it off. Just keep pressing down the power button. iPhone is gonna turn off. As soon as you see the Apple logo, just let it go. Just release the power button and just wait until your phone turns it back on and try it out the AirDrop. Now it should be working. So let's wait. But I have another solution, guys. If you still got some problem, let me show you the last solution you need to try to fix the issue. So unlock your iPhone and try to use the AirDrop. Now, if it is still not working, guys, what you're gonna do, you're gonna go ahead and open the settings. This is gonna be the last solution, guys, to that, okay? Scroll down until you see general. Let's go ahead and tap on general. Now scroll all the way down until you see this setting, transfer or reset iPhone. Let's go ahead and tap on that. Now let's go ahead and tap on reset. Don't worry, you don't gonna lose anything. You don't gonna reset your whole phone, okay? So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna choose this action, reset network settings, this one. Before you reset the network setting, you need to know this. Look, after you reset the network connection on your iPhone, you will have to start over with your Wi-Fi. For example, you have to put your Wi-Fi password because everything's gonna be basically gone. You have to put your Wi-Fi password to reconnect your iPhone to Wi-Fi. That will reset the Bluetooth connection. But the thing is, guys, AirDrop on iPhone needs to use Wi-Fi connection and Bluetooth connection. These two frequencies to work. So that's why you have to reset your iPhone network to fix any issue with your iPhone AirDrop, okay? So after you decided to reset the network setting, just put the password, then the setting is gonna pop up and then just hit the setting, reset network settings, and that's what you need to do. I'm not doing that because I don't have any problem with my iPhone AirDrop, but in your case, just do it. So the only thing you're gonna do, guys, is just reconnect your iPhone to the Wi-Fi network, and that's it. You don't gonna lose any pictures, any personal data, nothing like that. Just do it. That's the last solution to fix any issue, guys, 100%. That's all you need to do. If you got any question, please let me know. And by the way, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share this video. See you next time.